Good morning, all of you. How are you? Today again we will discuss introduction to trigonometry. We have discussed this exercise. It went on to question number 5, second part. Now third part of this question. We can start. We can start. So, tangent theta by 1 minus cotangent theta plus cotangent theta by 1 minus tangent theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant. So, same procedure, you can say this is your first. In solution, you can write solution. Understood? Taking LHS of first, we get. Taking which part? LHS. So this is LHS, this tangent theta 1 minus cotangent theta plus cotangent theta 1 minus tangent theta. This you can write like this. How can you write? Write in the form of sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Next step, after this sin theta by cos theta, LCM taken sin theta, so this coming sin theta minus cos theta by what? Plus cos of theta by sin of theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So write like this: sin theta by cos theta into this coming upside sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin. What's it become? This is become sin theta whole square by cos of theta into sin theta minus cos of theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta minus sin. Now again take LCM, but before taking LCM, convert this into in this form. So this what you can take minus common, you can take this, you can write sin square theta by cos theta sin of theta minus cos of theta plus cos square theta by minus taken common, so this become minus sin theta minus cos. This minus multiplication with this plus, again what's coming? Minus coming. What's coming? Minus. So how can you write like this? This is become sin square theta by cos of theta sin theta minus cos of theta minus multiply with this become this will become cos square theta divided by sin of theta minus cos of theta. Again LCM take. What's LCM? Sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This is your LCM. Understood? Upper side, this multiplication with sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. A cube minus b cube. We are using like this now. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Understood? Understood? So this you can use here. A is what here sin theta, b is what cos theta. So what's become? Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus what? Sin theta cos theta. This is divided by what? Sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Cancel this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This we can write 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Cancel. So this is 1 by sin theta 1 by cos theta plus 1. What is this? This is cosecant theta. This is secant theta plus 1. This you can write 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta, which is equal to what you have to do in this thus simply first convert into sin and cos, and after that take LCM and then apply that formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus a. Understood? Erase. Read the statement of next question. Which part now? Fourth part. Question number 5. Fourth part. What you can say? 1 plus secant theta by secant theta is equal to sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta. Take this is first. Taking LHS of first. Taking LHS left hand side of first we get taking LHS. So what is this? 1 plus secant theta by secant theta. You know, to solve trigonometry always try to convert into what? Into sine and cos. 1 plus 1 by cos theta by 1 by cos theta, and this is equal to what? 1 plus cos theta by cos theta, sorry, and 1 by cos theta, and this you can write 1 plus cos theta by cos theta into cos theta by 1 cancel out. What's coming? 1 plus cos theta. Now taking RHS of first, we get, you have to take what? RHS. What is RHS? This is sine scale theta by 1 minus cos theta. This you can say what is this? Secant. So this we can write 1 minus cos scale theta by 1 minus cos theta, and this try to write 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos of theta by 1 minus cos of theta. Cancel out is equal to 1 plus cos of theta. This is the from second and third, LHS is equal to RHS, hence result which we require. Understood or not? Easy, so much. I think able to solve question number 5, part number 5, like example number 15. In it you have to use another identity, in that you have to use another identity. That also I want to tell you. Fifth question, fifth part. What is cos A minus sine of A plus 1 by cos of A plus sine of A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cotangent A. This is the first. Then you can write taking LHS of first, we get left hand side you can take. Understood? So cos of A minus sine of A plus 1 divided by cos of A plus sine of A minus 1 let this is second. Dividing we will have to use this identity. Which identity we have to use? 1 plus cotangent scale A equal to cosecant scale A. So we will try to convert this complete in this form. That's why we will divide with sine of A. Divide the numerator and denominator by sine of theta, sine of A, sorry. We get, you get, this become cos of A by sin of A, sin of A by sin of A plus 1 by sin of A divided by cos of A by sin of A plus sin of A by sin of A minus 1 by sin of A. This you can write, how can you write? This is become cotangent A plus this you can take cosecant A minus 1 divided by this what become cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1. Yes or no? So what you can do? You can multiply and divide. Let this is the third. Multiply numerator and denominator by this cotangent A minus cosecant A, because here plus you want to write to convert to that. That's why. So what's become cotangent A plus cosecant A minus 1 into cotangent A minus cosecant A whole divided by what? Cotangent of A minus cosecant of A plus 1 into cotangent A minus cosecant A. Denominator leave as it is. So numerator what become? Its multiplication. Cotangent square A plus cosecant A cotangent A minus writing here so this become cotangent square A plus cosecant A cotangent A minus cotangent A minus cosecant A cotangent A minus cosecant square A plus cosecant A. Understood or not? This cancel this or not? Downside what's coming? You know, as it is you have to write cotangent A cosecant A plus 1 cotangent A cosecant A. Understood this? I think no problem. You know 1 plus cotangent square A equal to cosecant square A minus cotangent A plus cosecant A by what? By cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1 cotangent A minus cosecant A. So what is this? This is equal to minus 1 as you know. Taking this and bringing this side, then this become cotangent square A minus cosecant square A equal to minus 1 minus cot of A plus cosecant of A. What is this? What is this? This is as it is cotangent of A cosecant of A plus 1 cotangent of A minus cosecant of A. Understood? Minus taken common, what's become? Cot of A minus cosecant of A plus 1 divided by minus taken common from here also, this also right. Cotangent of A minus cosecant of A plus 1 into cosecant A minus cot of A. Minus taken common, that's why this coming here. This cancel, this is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cotangent A. Rationalize the denominator. What's coming? Cosecant A plus cot of A divided by cosecant A plus cotangent of A is equal to cosecant of A plus cot of A divided by cosecant square A minus cotangent square of A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, and this is equal to what? 1. So this is cosecant A plus cot of A, which is equal to this. Hence, result. Understood or not understood? This also told you. I think all of you understood easily or not. Now, sixth part, erase this. This is given under the root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin of A. This you have to prove. This you have to prove is equal to secant A plus tangent A. Understood? This we can write. How can you write? This is your first, taking LHS of first, we get what you get under the root 1 plus sin of A, 1 minus sin of A, multiplying with 1 minus sin of A under the root 1 plus 1 plus sin of A. What 6 become upper side become under the root 1 plus sin of A whole square divided by 1 minus sin square a minus b a plus b. What does this become? This is coming outside, 1 plus sin of a coming outside. Cancel this and root. If you don't know, you can write like this. Its power 2 and whole power is multiply what's its power? 1 by this, cancel this. Is equal to 1 minus sin square. This is under the root cos square a. What's coming outside? Cos of a. 1 plus sin of a by cos of a. How can you write this? 1 by cos of a plus sin of a by cos of a. What is this? Secant a. And what is this? Tangent a. And this you have to prove is equal to RHS. So much easy, no problem.